My name is Craig Hoffman. I'm a DoD test administrator, that's Department of Defense. Basically, I give the ASVAB test to students and raw recruits and report the results. I always had a great smile and all that, but in the past, I'll say about 8 years or so, I've started to need extractions at the dentist office, one by one, usually the sides of the teeth. But the smile definitely went from this big, broad, open, nice smile to a closed mouth, very subtle smile. So it definitely affected it. I think in the past 2 years, I was actually going so far as to avoid a few events. And I'm talking getting together with friends, a few family birthday parties. Obviously, I couldn't hide around the holidays, but I did my best. And it also affects just conversations in general, where you're hiding this problem in your mouth, as it were. So I had a front tooth pop out on a Tuesday night. I had a job interview the next morning that I actually went to, mostly like this. And Thursday evening, I believe it was, I came to Cunning Dental at the free seminar to see how we could solve this huge problem here with my smile. You know, this place is, if I can use the phrase, the poster child of customer service. I understand that longevity is on their side and they've been here well over 40 years, but always treated with respect, and unlike a dentist office, not lectured to. This place is more of a place of problem solving instead of, oh, well, here's how the problem was caused and all that. The focus is definitely on getting the situation handled. The actual procedure was wonderful. It is dentistry while you sleep, but I didn't know that the sleep was a twilight sleep, so I was asking, well, am I going to snore and that sort of thing, and of course that's not the case. But it is a twilight sleep. My wife was able to pick me up afterwards with my new mouth, which was also wonderful. I have no complaints about it. I believe at the time I said the surgery went so smooth that I could go through the same thing tomorrow. I love my new teeth. I love the smile. I'm actually getting used to smiling open mouth again, as it were, instead of that subtle, hi, how you doing? So it's definitely affected me positively, but overall just a wonderful experience. And again, just being able to go out in public instead of just cooking at home all the time. Confidence has changed tremendously. I had to call up a couple old friends and apologize for not meeting up with them over the past couple of years. So we've since gotten together. It's a very much a confidence booster. You know, there's the three necessities in life: food, clothing, and shelter. You know, the clothing and the shelter I got handled okay, but the food was becoming an issue because again, it comes down to the teeth and the smile and all that. So this has really been a huge problem solver. And I can't say enough about this place. You know, when I come in for the follow-ups, it's a joy. And it's not a place of judgment. It's a place of, you know, I walk in and I see them looking at my smile, and I think that maybe they're enjoying the work that they did, and I'm enjoying the work that they did. I would recommend it to you in such a way by saying that I know that you're probably worried about maybe the dollar angle, and I like to tell people that I have not spent any money at Cunning Dental, and what I mean by that is I've invested money in Cunning Dental. I consider this an investment, and so far it's paid off. It's paid off socially. It's going to pay off as far as job hunting and all that. And so it's not really an expenditure as much as you would love to think about it as an expenditure. It's a wonderful investment is what it is.